Welcome to Thailand, the land of amazing food, crazy street markets, beautiful beaches, friendly locals, and once a year absolute water chaos. This is Songkran, Thailand's craziest water festival. And here in Hatyai is the next level. No one is safe, not the tourists, not the locals, not even any grandmas walking outside the streets. We came for the food, we came for the fun, but we are not ready for what Hatyai Songkran had in store for us. After a long road trip from Penang to Hatyai, we finally arrived. The sun had already set, but that doesn't stop us from grabbing a quick dinner. The best fried chicken in town, no debate. Even the locals swear by it. Then we checked in, got some rest, and saved all our energy for the madness ahead of us the next day.
So good morning from Thailand, and as you can see, we are in our very flowery t-shirt, both of us. And today is the first day of Songkran Festival, which is the Thailand's New Year. We are now on the streets inside our car, and we can see that there's a lot of families standing by the roadsides, blasting music, using their water guns to splash everyone that passes by, especially the motorcyclists. So I think it's quite fun event. It's our first time here and we are very excited to see what's going to happen later. Oh my god. 终于太恐怖了大姐太恐怖了 Oh my god So we just passed by one like super clubbing Songkran street and with all the bubbles and all the people here spraying water everywhere. Luckily we are inside a car. It's like a guided shield for us. 不要浪费你的水哦。爸爸 ！Oh my god！ 他就在冲去。Oh my god! It's chaos! Before entering the battlefield, we needed fuel. And what's better than starting the day with some legendary Thai street food? And of course, a cup of Thai iced tea to cool us down from the hot weather.
A few moments later.
So we have our water guns ready. And we're still inside our car because outside is so chaotic.
So actually Songkran is the Thailand New Year event. So actually they are officially have 3 days from 13 April to 15 April. So based on the traditional culture, the first day, which is the 13 April, they will go to Wat, which is their temple, to get some blessing from their god, and also they will do their offering to them. For the second day, normally they will be gathering with their family together, and also they will pay their respect to their elders. And the third day is their officially New Year, and they will start their water festival. But now actually
It's the first day and it's already chaotic.
So there are a few things you guys need to take note if you join this Songkran. First, you can wear this kind of clothes, this flowering clothes. This is the only chance you wear like you can wear like this and it doesn't look like a tourist, because everyone, including the locals, also wearing like this. So second thing, remember, is the water is actually, you don't know where the water comes from. So make sure you protect yourself. So first is using goggles. Second, try not to get the water into your mouth and eyes. And then third one, bring your own water, keep you hydrated. And one more thing is, if you don't want to get wet but you accidentally come during this Songkran period, you just have to accept it. If you're wearing raincoat, those locals will splash a lot more water to you.
Let's go!
Go fight!
Anyways, if you've never been to Songkran before, here's all you need to know. Once you step outside, you're never gonna be dry. We literally just stepped out and boom, ambushed by tiny ruthless water warriors. No mercy. 我们一下车就中了。Really expect this if you are going down from the car using the water gun, because they will splash you immediately after you come down from the car. This isn't just a water fight. This is Thailand's wildest festival, Songkran. Water guns, bucket, hoses, nobody is safe. Tourists, locals, were all just walking water targets. Imagine a street party but with unlimited water. People are dancing, trucks are spraying, and the energy is just insane. At some point, we randomly bumped into a group of Malaysians from Kajang who literally drove all the way here just for Songkran. And that's when we realized this festival is serious business.
So we just refill our ice cold water and
我们可以这样来广哦，
super
我们应该是驾车带来的。
冷啊！
This is when we just realized that we walked straight into an area where everyone was using ice cold water. Immediate regret, the normal water was already bad enough, but this guy, no mercy at all.
太恐怖了！你来了 ！Oh my god！ 太恐怖了！太恐怖了！太恐怖了！太恐怖了！太恐怖了！
We knew we had to retreat before we turned into human ice cubes.
I don't sign up for this.
动作你试试。
See the ice cube. Oh my god. The ice cube that they prepared.
I swear I was shooting water at people like my life depended on it. But no matter what, there was always somebody waiting for more revenge.
Just when we thought things couldn't get crazier, the music gets louder, massive speaker blasting, and the crowd goes wild. It's basically a street rave but with unlimited water. And as if that wasn't enough, suddenly a foam party appears out of nowhere. 1 second, we are dodging water from random people, and the next second, we're covered in bubbles.
Oh my god.
But Songkran isn't just about crazy water fights. Families were out on the streets, just casually standing there with buckets, waiting for people to walk by. And the moment you do, splash! No hesitation.
Water is crazy.
And somehow, in the middle of all this chaos, we randomly bump into our friends. What are the odds? Obviously, the only logical thing to do at the moment was put on a water fight with them.
来，进我们的 vlog 啊你。
By this point, we were drenched, exhausted, and definitely carrying at least 2 liters of water in our clothes. And then we saw it. Food stalls, right next to all the chaos, and there's a whole variety of them. Honestly, eating delicious Thai street food while still soaking wet felt kinda illegal, but also 10 over 10 experience. And that's the thing about Songkran. It's not just about getting drenched. It's the people, the random moments, and just vibing with complete strangers just for good times.
Now we're leaving this Lee Garden area.
太恐怖了！太恐怖了！
所以刚刚我们已经干了，然后再要试了，两边他们还是要炸一样的。
避免不了，避免不了。
I joined.
After an entire day of running, dodging, and getting absolutely destroyed by water buckets, this BBQ is exactly what we needed. And I swear, food just hit differently when you are this tired. Just when we thought the chaos was over, nope, the party outside is still going strong. These people have unlimited energy. But for us, that's a wrap. Songkran, you were insane, and I will 100% do it all over again. Alright, time to pass out. See you in the next vlog, hopefully somewhere drier, or maybe not. Because next, we are diving straight into Hatyai's ultimate food hunt. From street food to hidden local gems, get ready for a feast. So if you enjoyed our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.